In this video, I'll show you how you can use right now Google Bard to analyze the reviews from your customers, to see if you have reviews, if your company, your store, your product, your services, they receive reviews from your customers or from people that interact with your business in any way. We can use artificial intelligence to analyze all these reviews to see what are the things that people really like about you, your product, your service, your company. And also we can analyze the negative reviews and see what are what people dislike about what you offer. So we can improve exactly that and make sure we have more and more satisfied customers, right? So this is fantastic, and you can use that for your products and services. If you said, Diego, wait, I don't have any reviews. The products I have, I don't collect reviews from my customers. That's fine. Stay with me because I'll still show you how you can use this service to analyze any business, for example, on Google Maps, restaurants, hotels, any business that have reviews. You can analyze what people like about them and what people dislike, so you can decide if you will consume their products or not. But my main goal here is if you have reviews from your customers. So my case, this course, you will leave a review in this course. Your review is important for me and for Phil because we use your reviews to actually improve the course. So tell us right now in the course what you like about this course, what you like about it, why you are excited about this. And with that, we will use actually Google Bard and ChatGPT, as we did in the last sections here, to analyze the reviews and improve the course or your product. So let's jump right now to Google Maps. Here we are, and I will search for a sushi restaurant, and let's see what we have. Here we have one. Let's go with Deja Vu restaurant. This is a great restaurant that is close by where I live. It's actually just 3.9 reviews, which is not great on Google, but it's a great place. We love the food from this place. So I will use this as an example. This is just as an example, so you understand the process. So here we can, to Google Maps, you can find your product, your service, your store, or you can have any business that you want to analyze. So all we have to do is just copy the link, and this is different from ChatGPT because in ChatGPT we need to have to copy all the reviews, right? And paste the reviews on ChatGPT because currently ChatGPT doesn't have access to the internet. Maybe when you are watching this, it already has. So we come here and we click on share, we copy the link, and we go now to Google Bard. And in here we can say, please make a list of all the things people like about this restaurant. And if this is your product, if this is your restaurant, you can add here your information, okay? So I will just write this prompt and also paste the link so it knows which restaurant we are talking about. So let's go and see what we have. So Google Bard is thinking about it, is processing, is reading all the reviews and making a list of what people like. Here we have the list. So it's saying, here are some of the things people like about this restaurant. The food is delicious and authentic. The service is friendly and attentive. The atmosphere is relaxed and inviting. The prices are reasonable. The location is convenient. Parking is ample, blah, blah, blah. Excellent. Here are some reviews from customers. So it's making a list from all the things that people like about the restaurant, is reading all these reviews, and from everything that Bard learned on the reviews, is making this list in order for you, so you know exactly what people like. Also, as a bonus, is offering us some real reviews from people. It's saying, this is the best Indian food I ever had. The service here is amazing. I love coming here. The prices are reasonable, blah, blah, blah. I never had a bad meal here. This is a good spot. So you see all the reviews here. And now we can keep doing. If this is your restaurant, you can say, okay, people like the food, people like the service, the prices, everything. Okay, I will improve this even more. I can make sure we keep this thing as it is to make sure people still like what we have. Also, we can come here and change this and say, make a list of all the things people dislike about this restaurant, based, and we can add this, based on these reviews. Okay, excellent. And I will paste the link again. Let's see what we have now. So it's analyzing all the negative reviews now, and it's making a list of everything about all the suggestions people are mentioning on these reviews. So we have here again, here are some things that people dislike about this restaurant. The food sometimes is inconsistent in quality, the service can be slow, and we see here all the reviews, and we see what are the suggestions from your customers. So we can come here and say, okay, let's fix this. If people are saying that the service is slow, let's improve the service, for example. Another thing that you can do, if you don't have access to like Google Maps, you can just come here. Let's say that you have your reviews maybe in another website and you don't want to give access to that to Google Bard. You can always come to any website, to Yelp, to any website that collects reviews and ratings. You click on the reviews, maybe on Amazon, you can even do this. You can copy the reviews from Amazon, and you can just copy all these reviews. This is the same process we did for the ChatGPT section, guys, in earlier lessons in the course. So I can just copy this and come here to Bard and say, again, let's edit one of these just to make things easier based on these reviews, and we can just paste the reviews. Okay, so we paste the reviews, it will analyze the reviews for us. Let's click on update and see what we have as a result. If thinking about it, you can do this again for any website that collects reviews from your customers or from any product or service you want to use. So it's thinking about, and here we have the answer. Is based on these reviews, some people dislike the restaurant because the food is not as good as it looks. The service is not always helpful. The atmosphere is not always peaceful or serene. The prices are not always reasonable. You see that it's not generalizing. It's not saying the prices are high. It's saying the prices are not always reasonable. So it's a little bit more polite that the thing we saw in ChatGPT when we did the same process. Okay, so this is how you can analyze reviews from your company or from any company here on Google Bard. I hope you do this. In the next video, we continue with the course.